Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. A couple of changes on the chart. Well, not really in terms of the wave count, but I have added this descending price channel. It's not exactly perfectly defined, but I'm going to give it a go because what you can do, you can connect the end of the wave 1, yeah, with the top of the X, the end of the wave 1 with the top of the wave X, which was here an end of a triangle. And then you get this parallel channel, and we adhere to it nicely here and here, even though we had a fake out here. But let's see if that can help us a bit. What I'm thinking is if we break out of this corrective price channel to the upside, that would be an additional confirmation that actually this impulse to the upside has started. Yeah. Bear in mind, we talked about targets here, and you need to be aware that, like the first target would be the recent high at 42 cents, and then we've got the 44 cent level as targets. Only above that level, we can rule out that we have here an A, B, C correction, but above 44, it is most likely going to be something much more bullish, and we're going to follow actually an impulse to the upside. Until then, we have to expect a drop, and that would be actually my primary view, that we did something like this, right? A, B, C, so that we came down here in an A wave. This actually was an A, B, C in a B wave, and we will then come down either from up there or actually directly from here. Because that potential exists, that this was just a B. Maybe the B wave high was only here, yeah? Maybe this was not a wave 1, maybe it was just an A, B, C in itself. That's why I have set this turning area, this sort of turning point, as yellow, because there's no guarantee we will get this wave to the upside here on ADA. It wouldn't surprise me. I actually think it's fairly likely. Otherwise, I wouldn't mark a turning point here. But it also depends to a degree a little bit on what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. We've got two possibilities here, clearly. Yeah, this could be, let's say, the move down here of this high on the 2nd of February, which was at around 42 cents. Could have been just the A wave. Yeah, as I just showed you, this could have been the B wave, and we're now coming down in C. But the thing is, the move down looks corrective at the moment, so it doesn't exactly look impulsive. So that's why I'm not following necessarily primarily the idea that we're going down directly. I'm very open to the idea that, yeah, this was maybe an A wave, but the B wave was not here. It will be up here. A, B, C in B, and then we go down from there. So that's sort of my view, my preferred choice. But again, the market doesn't really care what my preferred choice is. The market will decide that, but therefore we need to know what are the key levels. So point is here, as long as we're holding the yellow support area, which goes down to 36.1 cent, we have a good chance to turn around here and rally higher in that impulse of a C wave. But so far it's not really doing much. The movement still looks fairly choppy, corrective. We need to see how the market reacts to core PCE data. We had turning here, it turned here, rallied, but came back into the support area, made a slightly higher low, but it came down quite a lot. And also this impulsive candle here, I wouldn't be surprised to come down eventually a little bit later, a little bit lower. Remember that our key target area was actually, this is a larger support area, yes, but then based on the measurement of the sub-wave structure, we actually had an ideal target area here between 37 and 37.5 cents. Either way, you need to expect as soon as you get into this area, it's going to turn around. For me, it's starting to get a little bit more likely that we're actually going to go down a bit lower, but as long as we're holding this low here of from Wednesday, we can focus on higher, but it's not high confidence because it has pulled back so much, yeah. So I wouldn't be surprised to make another lower low here. Again, it can use this entire box, and you have a lot of confluence and support in this region. The reasons are, it's the 61.8 retracement here at 37.4 cents. That is the golden ratio. You've got channel support and all these dotted lines which relate to targets, Fibonacci extension targets. Yeah, so there will be a lot of support, and also we had previous resistance here, So there's a bit of an end support here, you know. There's quite a bit of support going to be in this area between 37 and 37.5. So strategically, you know, if you want to speculate here on the long side, but be aware it's only a yellow box, so it's higher risk. You could enter a small position here, and if it drops a bit lower into this area, I think we have a good chance for a bounce from here, even if it's just a temporary bounce. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.